Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has around 15 miles delivery miles. And it comes painted in the stunning Indian grey metallic finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detailing that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, will often give a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding ring mirrors do fold them unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for the added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And you have your electrical sliding doors, revealing a lovely and classy interior with the ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features. Starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that always in the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage, what's on the move, and we do have our assist systems with features like the adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst travelling on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and our Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps entertained while in the move. With many different stations to choose from, you can never be bored. And with this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the rear view cam, ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. And over to our climate controls, you'll notice we do have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from. And on the right hand side we have our heated windscreen, towards the left we have our parking sensors and door functionalities, and just below that we have even more storage space. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.